Well 7. To me it looks pretty darn good. Got an AC unit right there above my face. Got a freezer. Got a refrigerator. Looking pretty good there, buddy. We have another one in action. Got the fire suppression system. Got the water system. Got the water pump, the water heater. Hand sink. He's gonna have him some little surveillance cameras hanging here looking down at his customers. Got him some little speakers in there so he can get his jam on for the people on the outside. Got another AC there. Got the proper tanks, grease fire or regular fire. Don't only use that on grease. Don't use that on grease. You're gonna make it worse than what it was. We got some flow points coming down here on the griddles, the ovens, the fryers. Nice little fire suppression system all hooked up. About to put him a shelf here. Have his little entertainment center here. All these surveillance cameras, wires, and whatnots he got going. Made him a little storage there. Looks like he's gonna be doing pretty good here. I think I like it. We got action. Nice and pretty. Man, Selma, I like how you work. Spend your whole weekends making other people happy. Guy comes to me and says, man, I'm tired of working for these people over at Papa's Catering. I want my own business. I've been seeing them trucks you putting out there and they look pretty darn good. What would it take to get me one? Well, sir, what do you want to cook? Everything. Well, then I think you need yourself a fryer, grill, and an oven. Anyway, we shall see how he feels about it when he picks it up tomorrow. Clean this bad boy up, get all the trash out, and get him the hell up out of my shop, boy, my friends. Because I got another shop full of these things across the way. Open that garage to go right around. Oh, man. You got a good problem, though, buddy. I can't be mad at it. This guy here, he's already a happy camper. He came back and decided to get him some more speakers so he can jam a little bit louder while he's out there doing his thing. Darband. They have a nice little restaurant off of 59 and Hillcroft called Darband. What we got here? This guy is called Wings and Rings. Wings and Rings. I think that's what it's called. Anyway, let's see what we got here. We're gonna have a little serving window pop up. Put him a little table here so people can stand. Got him a little TV cut out. That'll go right here. Yeah. Let's see. I've been liking my little idea to keep the door because it still comes down, but I decided to cut a hole in here so people can just walk in this way, and then you guys still got the door over there. But I saw this guy pull up in a motorcycle one day, so I was like, hey, you know what, this is gonna work for you, buddy. You can ride your bike and just park it. I know you're gonna have 3 fryers here and an oven. And he's gonna do waffles, so he's gonna have a little waffle maker here, refrigerator, and a little salad bar. Salad bar is that little deal right there. Boop. Anyway, here's gonna be a 3-compartment sink and a hand sink. Well, fella, I need to walk over here to this other shop and see how far you got to go on them. Peace.